Hi, I'm Amina from Graco, and I'm going to show you how to install your Forever Extend2Fit DLX 4-in-1 car seat in the forward-facing mode using the vehicle seatbelts. First, start by removing your infant supports, which can only be used in rear-facing mode. Make sure that your extension panel is stored in position 1, as it can only be used in rear-facing mode as well. Remove your tether strap from the storage location on the back of the car seat. For ease of use, store the lower anchor strap in the rear-facing belt path marked with a blue label by attaching the lower anchor attachments to the storage locations on either side of the car seat. Recline the car seat using the handle at the front of the seat. Adjust the recline to one of the two forward-facing recline positions, marked with the orange label, using the correct position for your child's weight. Place the car seat forward-facing in your vehicle. Make sure the base is flat on the seat and at least 80% of the base is on the vehicle seat by checking the orange label at the front of the car seat. Raise the headrest to the top position. To access the belt path, unsnap the seat pad and lift it out of the way. Loosen the harness straps and move them out of the way for easy access to the belt path. Unsnap the bottom seat pad and fold the seat pad down. Open the belt lock-off by pressing the gray button. Route the vehicle seatbelt through the forward-facing belt path marked with the orange label. Buckle the seatbelts. Make sure the vehicle seatbelt is routed behind the red belt lock-off and is laying flat and not twisted. Lock the vehicle seatbelt. Pull the shoulder belt all the way out and then slowly feed it back in. You should hear a clicking sound. To tighten the vehicle seatbelt, press down firmly in the center of the car seat and pull the shoulder belt to tighten while feeding the slack back in. Once you've tightened the strap, close and lock the belt lock-off. Attach and tighten the tether on the back of the vehicle seatbelt. Test for tightness. Place your hands at the forward-facing belt path and move the seat side to side and front to back. It should not move more than 1 inch. If the seat moves more than 1 inch, remove more slack from the strap, then retest. Reattach the snaps on the seat pad. Move the top seat pad back into place and reattach the snaps. Make sure the harness straps are routed in front of the seat pad. Move the headrest back to the proper position for your child. When buckling your child, be sure the harness straps are at or above the child's shoulders. Now you've installed your car seat.